dear friends. I welcome you all to look at a wonderful business opportunity which is doing really well during the COVID situation. The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Are we all living our dreams? Let us look at some of the dreams that we have. We all want a lot of money. We want to buy a really, designer bike, and we would like to own a luxury car. And all of us always dream of our dream house. And the other most important thing is freedom. Freedom is when you have time and money in your control at the same time. And then let's talk about the respect. Respect and recognition in any job that we do or any business that we do is very important for us. And the foreign trips that we would like to take our family and friends along with us. And the most important dream in today's situation is our health, which we have found the value of it, during the corona situation. Before we see how to achieve these dreams, let us look at the types of people in the world. There are four types of people in this world. We are either an employee, or we are self employed, or we are in the business sector, or we are an investor. Now, the employee and the self employed are people who have an active income because it is an individual effort and that income is a limited income. In the world, there are about 95% of population on this side of the quadrant who enjoy only 5% of the world's wealth. Whereas on the other side of the quadrant, we have people who are earning passive income because they have implemented a system. So the teamwork is possible there, and because of that, they are enjoying unlimited income. In the world, only 5% population is there, but they are enjoying about 95% of the world's wealth. Now, to start a traditional business, what are the things that we would need? We would need investment. We would need the right knowledge and a lot of experience, and we would also need to put in a lot of efforts, and there is always a risk involved. And nevertheless, there is always the competition that we need to sustain. That is the reason a lot of us choose to be in the employee or the self-employed quadrant. Now, today we are going to look at a business opportunity which, just by utilizing your daily needs, you are going to make money. Let's look at some of our daily needs. A toothbrush, a toothpaste, face wash, soap, shampoo, body talc. So these kind of products are used by us on our daily life. Now, how do we make money out of that? We go and buy these products in DMart, we go and buy these products in Big Bazaar or Reliance. What do we get? We get the product and the discount sometimes. But here in Vestige, you get the products, you get the discount, and you get a wonderful business opportunity. So just by changing your shop, you're going to change your life. So before we look into the business opportunity, let us look at the company's profile. He is Mr. Gautam Bali, the great Gautam Bali. Because of him, there is a lot of people in India who are earning more than a lakh of rupee. His vision is to have everyone enjoy their economic independence. And his mission is to be on a global scale, which is happening in a very, very steady and fast pace. He started the company in 2004, and from then he has established almost 8,500 stock points all over India, and he has put the business across in 9 countries. We are available in South Africa, we are available in Dubai, in Thailand, in Bangladesh. So you're part of a global business opportunity. And we have about 400 different products, and in the global range, we are in the top 30. So what are our products? We take a lot of food, but is it completely filled with nutrition? Now, what do we do for the gap? We need to fill it with nutrition. So we have wonderful supplements like aloe vera, like neem, like flax oil, which is all completely natural. And then we have personal care products like the soap, like the shampoo, like the paste, everything that we buy every day outside. But here, when you buy it, you're going to get 9 ways of income. And then you have the home care products, you have the toilet cleaner and the dishwasher and the bathroom cleaner, and then you have the toothpaste, the toothbrush, and there is a wonderful product called the Sharp Air Purifier. Now, this air purifier is from a Japanese company, which right now is very, very important for every person's house and a doctor's clinic because it purifies the air and it gives you fresh oxygen. It's got plasma cluster, it's got ion technology, so it also has the capacity to mutate coronavirus. There is a lot of certification that this product has got from 28 global laboratories all over the world. And we also have, cosmetics for the women. And in health food, we have the cooking oil. This cooking oil is, got a higher boiling capacity. You can reheat it and still it will do only good to your body. We also have agriculture products. Now, what are we going to do with these products? Are we going to sell these products? No. We are going to promote these products. Do you know how much of money we can make by promotion? Let us look at Virat Kohli as an example. Virat Kohli's income from cricket matches is only 19 crores, but his total income is almost 140 crores. He gets 121 crores from endorsement and advertising. Just by saying boost is the secret of my energy, he earns a lot of money. We do this in our life every day. We tell our friend, hey, you know what, let's go to this mobile store and buy a mobile. It's, a very good store. Let's go to this shop and buy a salwar. They have very good quality. We do this in our life without knowing we are promoting something every day. So here we are just going to consciously promote and say, hey, you know what? I just use some products. The quality is good. And I also got some cash back. And there is an opportunity. Why don't you take a look at it? Just by doing that kind of promotion, we can also earn money like how Virat Kohli earns. Now let us look at an example. In this company, if you spend 30 rupees, you are going to get 1 point. If you spend 60 rupees, you are going to get 2 points. If you spend 90 rupees, you are going to get 3 points. So for example, if you buy a deodorant from this company, you are going to spend like about 150 rupees. Please remember, there is no investment. This is a zero investment business opportunity. You have bought a deodorant for which the company has given you 5 points. Now you go and meet your friend, and your friend asks you, hey, the smell of the deodorant is really good. And so you tell him, hey, you know what, I bought it from Vestige. And he buys the deodorant from Vestige. So the company gives you 5 points and the company gives him 5 points. So what happens is you get 10 points because he's also bought a deodorant. He goes and meets another friend and the same thing happens and all the three of you have bought deodorants, but the third person gets 5 points, your friend gets like 10 points and you have got 15 points. This is the kind of points through which you will be earning the income from the company. Now let us look at the type of incomes. There are 9 types of incomes. The first income is a retail profit, which is 10% to 20% discount on every product. The second is a wonderful bonus which is called the accumulative performance bonus. If you do 1 point to 599 points, the company gives you a 5%. If you do 600 to 2399 points, the company gives you 8%. If you do 2400 to 5499 points, the company gives you 10%. And anything above 5500, the company gives you 11%. This is roughly a minimum income of 100 to a maximum income of about 5000 rupees. And the third income that you get from the company is after you become a director. And as a director bonus, you get 4% from the company. So, you also get a business building bonus of 14%. The leadership overriding bonus, which is about 16%, is a very important bonus in this company, where you get a minimum income of about 25,000 rupees. And the company also gives you a travel fund through which there are 2 foreign trips per year. And there is a car fund once you maintain 3 directors, which has got a ceiling limit of about 80,000 rupees, through which there are about 10,000 people all over India who've taken cars, and there are about 500 luxury cars taken, which is like Audi, Jaguar, Mercedes. And there is a house fund when you maintain about 6 directors, which is about a lakh. So through that you can, pay your EMI or your initial for your property. And then there is an elite bonus when you maintain 12 directors, which can be up to 20 lakhs. Now all this income can be earned by just, promoting these products. So everything is possible only if you believe it is. Let us look at Munish Shekhar. He is a youngster who built the business very successfully. Look at his consistency growth. The first month his income was 292. The second is 1062. The third month he goes to about 2038. By the 6th month his income has grown to about 36,400, including a 1 crore club, including his monthly payout. Now this is the kind of consistency growth that this company gives. When we go to a company and when we work, how many days does it take for us to get an increment? A minimum a year? But here, every month you can see your growth in a very visible way. Now, let us look at one more inspiration person, Purnima Singh, a very young lady who started with 700 and then went on to 2,600 and then earned 24,000. And her largest lockdown payment was almost 2,90,000. And she's taken a Tata Harrier car which is worth 20 lakhs before she was even 25 years. Now, this is the kind of accomplishment that the youngsters are making through this business just by promoting these products to their known ones. And these are some of the travel fund achievers. All these kids, they are below 25 and they joined the business, and in about 8 months they had earned their travel fund, and through their own money they had applied for their passports and they had been part of the Thailand trip last year. Now that is a wonderful achievement by youngsters who can afford their own foreign travel. These are some of the pictures from the travel diaries. So this is the kind of travel that Vestige gives you. A wonderful 5-day tour, and the accommodation and the food, and it's an amazing trip that the company puts you on. And these are the car fund achievers. A boy from Bangalore creates history in Vestige. In just 3 months, he's gifted a car to his parents. Manish Kannan is an engineering student. At the age of 20, he gifted a 9 lakh worth Ford Figo. So every time somebody takes a car here, it's like a gala celebration. It's like your uplines, your downlines, your entire team comes to celebrate the purchase of the car. And anybody, it doesn't matter what age or what category, it's never too late to follow your dreams. An auto driver has achieved a BMW. A housewife, Deepal Patrawala, earns about 45 lakhs through the business. Harminder Kaur was just 21 years when she purchased her Audi car in just 16 months. And an electrician has bought a car. And this is through the house fund. Mr. Boop Malik has built a wonderful house which is worth crores. And he is just a normal person like you and I. And in just 2-3 years, he's built this wonderful house through the house fund. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking because its trust is not in the branch but in its own wings. The same way, believe in yourself and build the business. There is zero risk, there is no investment, and right now during this COVID situation, you can inspire a lot of people, you can make a change in a lot of lives, and you can also make a change in your lives, and all of you can earn a great income. Thank you so much for your time. For more details, please contact the person who has shown you this presentation. Wish you wealth.